Welcome to our family-friendly overnight hike at this beautiful double-story cave. This cave is a mansion. It's the biggest cave in the Drakensberg, and it can accommodate up to 100 people, but due to regulations it's limited to 12, so please book in advance to avoid disappointment.
So that's the bedroom. That's the view. And that is the shower.
This is a short and easy hike, perfect for beginners, and it's great for swimming. This adventure also includes a warm dinner and warm breakfast. Contact us on info@hiddengemsouthafrica.com to receive the full itinerary.